Since we're starting a brand new grade 6 and grade 7 science strand, I thought this would be a good time to take a look at energy, because it's going to be a big part of both science and of the work we're going to do with heat, which is a type of energy, right? So for those of you who have never really thought about it, energy really is the ability to make something move. And the neat thing about energy is it can be created. No. It can be destroyed? No. In fact, it can't be either. Energy can't be created or destroyed, but it can be transformed. It can be changed into something else. And a good example of that is thermal energy. Thermal energy is basically the end of all energies as they move through the system. There's an awful lot of it out there. Thermal energy, think of heat. Anytime you get energy from moving particles in solids or liquids or gases, that's thermal energy. The second energy is chemical energy. You know that energy you get out of the food you eat, the stuff you drink, the gas in your mom and dad's car? That's chemical energy. Magnetic energy, well, you know what a magnet does when you put it up against another piece of metal. It's that energy that comes from some types of metal, especially irons, right? Light energy is energy you can see with your eyes and is usually the result of an energy transformation from something else. Gravitational energy is the energy that you feel when you lift something off the ground. It's that stored energy that's in that thing that you hold above the Earth's surface. Nuclear energy is the energy that's stored in the center of particles of matter. That's why they call it atomic energy as well, right? It's used a lot to produce electricity. And for the grade 6s, they know that electrical energy is any of the energy that's moving in particles through wires and electrical devices, right? The stuff that we take for granted. It, too, is a transformational energy. We tend not to use electricity just as electricity. We usually use it to do something else with it. Elastic energy, that's that energy that gets held in things like rubber bands and stuff. When you pull them, and then when you let go, that energy is released. That's elastic energy. Sound energy is the type of energy that you can pick up with your ears, and mechanical energy is the energy of objects in motion, which is what we want a lot of energy to do. Now that you know what the 10 forms of energy are, let's see what happens when you transform them. Watch the next video and see how many energy transformations you can pick out, and we'll go through them tomorrow. Here we go.